So the Brickhouse Bistro is our restaurant that's attached to the culinary program. It is a highly flexible space that we do open to the public. And it's part of how the students get to demonstrate some of their skills, also learning the front of the house aspect of the restaurant industry as well as the back of the house.
Lately we have had quite a bit of events that we've been doing, like our Valentine's Day event that's going to happen tomorrow, and our patron tours every month, and we're open from Tuesday to Friday from 10:30 to 12:30, and our bakeries are on Friday.
Again, everything here is student driven. The ideas can come from anywhere. A TikTok video, or I've got some professional cookbooks that the students have access to.
My Nana she likes to cook a lot, and I got inspired by her, and I have a cookbook at my house that has her recipes in it, and I got kind of a interest in cooking with her whenever she would come over, or we would go over to her house.
The program as a whole has evolved from kind of a home ec class that I remember in high school into much more of a commercial industry focused classroom. We have all commercial equipment. Everything that's in our kitchen is health department approved for restaurant use.
It allows the students to get creative with our recipes too, and what they think we should or shouldn't add to the menu.
The bistro here is a really great place for building that project-based learning, because we can set up any scenario that we want to do here. The students come up with the recipes, so they're really excited about it, and then my job is to ask the questions that are going to steer them into creating something that's going to work.
With Chef, we're both learning together, and I'm learning from him, he's learning from me, from the way, like with my leadership from the class, being a Culinary 3, and I definitely enjoy it.